Cause ain't a damn thing he can tell me about how to love my kids.
Oh, it's really improved my confidence. It's allowed me to be free, allowed me to express myself openly, and not be afraid of what others might think about it. I've had a really supporting teacher and peers that have coached me along the way and allowed me to build up my confidence to be able to step out and try new things. It's really helped. It showed me what I really need to work on and how I can focus to better hone my craft. He's helped me to develop my skills as not only just remembering the lines, but actually to show my emotions, not to rush through things, take my time with it and be better at creating an image that'll allow the audience or whoever's watching, participating to believe my character to be authentic. I appreciate how he made it seem like a family, even from the first day, how we were intermingling with each other, doing different tactics and different skills to help us work on for like giving emotions and just collaborating with each other, holding hands, coming closer together in a circle, coming closer to the stage when people were performing. He really just gave it a family vibe with all of the classes that we participated in.